Guys, we are here, or I am here in our rice field. So I'm going to speak English so that my partner can understand what I'm talking about here. So this is our rice field, guys. Now we're going to put the rice char this coming July, right? So you're gonna stay there, Rimar. Stay there. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that one and there. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is really huge. Okay, guys, from there in Rimar, and that's my nephew Joseph Nail, and Jelvin also going to the end of our rice field so that we can see how long or huge the rice field is. Okay, so Monisha, this is a huge one. From there, there, going there, and going there. Look, my honey, that's a Joseph Nail, and then that's a Rimar. Okay, from there, going there. That's 1.4 hectares. From here, from there, that's a Jelben. Jelben! Dira lang? That's Jelben, honey. So from there, and it should be square or rectangle. From there, going there to Rimar. That's Rimar and Joseph Nail. Look, that's a Joseph Nail there, honey. Look, that's a Joseph Nail and Rimar. Yeah, that's a huge one. Look, square or rectangle. Yeah, this is a rectangle, honey. From there. Okay.